McDonald's burger patties, mass production explained. When you bite into a McDonald's burger, what you taste is the result of one of the most efficient and consistent food production systems in the world. But how are those iconic beef patties mass-produced on such a huge scale? And how does McDonald's ensure that every single one tastes the same, no matter if you're in New York, London, or Karachi? Let's go inside the process. The journey begins at the farms. McDonald's sources its beef from large cattle farms, often located close to processing plants to ensure freshness and reduce transport time. Only specific cuts of beef are used, primarily the shoulder, flank, and chuck cuts that provide the right balance of lean meat and fat. No fillers, no preservatives, just 100% pure beef. Once cattle are processed at approved slaughterhouses, the selected beef cuts are chilled and transported under strict cold chain management to patty production facilities. Here, the meat undergoes rigorous inspection. Trained quality control teams check for color, texture, and temperature to ensure it meets McDonald's strict global standards. The beef is then coarse ground in massive stainless steel grinders. Unlike traditional mincing, the grinding process is carefully controlled to maintain texture. Too fine, and the patties would lose juiciness. Too coarse, and they wouldn't hold their shape. At this stage, no spices or seasonings are added. McDonald's burgers are seasoned only at the restaurant grill, with just a pinch of salt and pepper. Next comes portioning and forming. The freshly ground beef is fed into automated forming machines that can shape thousands of patties per hour. Hydraulic presses compact the meat into perfect uniform discs. Every patty is identical in weight and thickness, whether it's destined for a Big Mac, a quarter pounder, or a cheeseburger. Immediately after forming, the patties are flash frozen using a technique called cryogenic freezing. Supercooled air or liquid nitrogen rapidly brings down the temperature, locking in freshness, flavor, and nutrients. This process also ensures that the patties remain safe for long-distance transportation, without the need for preservatives. Frozen patties are then stacked, inspected, and automatically conveyed to packaging lines. High-speed machines wrap the patties in sealed film, often in packs of 10 or 20, before boxing them. Every package is coded with production dates and batch numbers for traceability, so any shipment can be tracked back to the factory if needed. From here, the boxes are loaded onto refrigerated trucks and shipped to McDonald's distribution centers worldwide. The cold chain is never broken, from the factory floor to the restaurant freezer. This ensures that when a McDonald's cook places a frozen patty on the hot grill, it cooks perfectly every single time. But consistency isn't the only focus. McDonald's invests heavily in food safety and sustainability. Each production facility undergoes regular audits to meet international standards, including HACCP and ISO certifications. Cattle sourcing also follows ethical and environmental guidelines, with growing emphasis on reducing the carbon footprint of beef production. Finally, the patties arrive at McDonald's restaurants, stored in freezers until needed. They're cooked directly from frozen on flat grills, a process carefully timed 2 seconds. The result is a patty that's hot, juicy, and identical in taste, whether you order it in Chicago, Dubai, or Tokyo. Behind every burger patty lies an extraordinary chain of farming, processing, freezing, and logistics. It's a marvel of modern food engineering, and it's the secret that allows McDonald's to serve over 69 million customers every day with burgers that taste the same everywhere on Earth. So the next time you unwrap that familiar yellow wrapper and take a bite of a McDonald's burger, remember, it's not just fast food. It's a global production system perfected over decades, bringing the same taste, bite after bite, all around the world.